Hey everybody, it's Forbes Riley. I'm out in the park here in beautiful Florida. And you know what? I want to talk to you for a second about some of the things that you can do in your life. One of the things that's changed my life is taking a moment to, one, invest in myself, two, breathe, enjoy the outdoors, and three, hang on to some of my very close friends. Oh wait, there's one more. Go places where people are doing things that help you grow. So one of the most profound things I did a couple of weeks ago was to go to Becca T-Bond's retreat. She calls it glamping. Now, I'm not a camping girl, trust me. I totally got the yeah, I didn't take the ring off the whole time. But what she created was a spectacular group of women. In fact, I went in a little skeptical. You know, I don't have the time to take a weekend off, or it's too much money, or I don't know. You know what? All those excuses are in your head. What a wonderful time of investment. It was, let me express to you, the people that I met there were unlike any group of women I've ever actually met. The heart that went into this, her commitment, passion, it's health, it's food, it's fitness, it's spirituality. And I was just sharing a story. They had a thing, a maze thing. And even I do a lot of this work on myself. I kind of poo-pooed it and discounted it. And you know what? That day on Saturday, I had one of the most spiritual awakenings just by participating. So let me ask you a question. How are you showing up in your life? How are you showing up in your families, your kids, your friends, your work? If you want to change it, if you want to transform, no one gets to take action but you. Here's one simple little step. She's going to give you all the information. You'll find out how to come glamping. The next one is in May. I highly recommend that you take advantage of this. It doesn't come along very often, and you know me, I only endorse the very best. I'm Forbes Riley. Thanks so much.